Have you ever gazed up at Mars, that fiery red dot in the night sky, and wondered, could anything ever live there? It's a question that has gripped humanity for centuries. Today, our robotic emissaries are exploring the red planet, seeking answers in the Martian soil and whispers of ancient water. Their discoveries are fueling our imaginations and pushing the boundaries of exploration. Mars, as we know it today, is a desolate, frigid desert. Its thin atmosphere, composed mainly of carbon dioxide, clings tenuously to the surface. Temperatures plummet far below freezing, making liquid water a near impossibility. The Martian surface is a tapestry of rocky plains, towering volcanoes, and vast canyons, sculpted by eons of cosmic bombardment and geological upheavals. But Mars hasn't always been this way. Our robotic explorers, like the intrepid Curiosity and Perseverance rovers, have uncovered compelling evidence of a much wetter past. Across the Martian surface, they have beamed back images of ancient riverbeds, meandering canyons, and vast deltas, all bearing the unmistakable fingerprints of flowing water. These geological features paint a picture of a time when liquid water, perhaps even vast oceans, graced the Martian surface. Section 4. Frozen Secrets. Water ice on Mars. While liquid water might be scarce on Mars today, its frozen form is surprisingly abundant. Near the Martian poles, vast ice caps, composed of both water ice and frozen carbon dioxide, stand as silent sentinels to a bygone era. These icy reservoirs hold a treasure trove of information about Mars's past climate, and could potentially provide a vital resource for future human missions. Section 5. Water, the elixir of life and space exploration. Water is the lifeblood of our planet, a substance so vital that without it, life as we know it would cease to exist. It covers about 71% of the Earth's surface and is essential for all known forms of life. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, every living being depends on water for survival. It is involved in countless biological processes, from digestion to temperature regulation, and even in the transportation of nutrients and waste within our bodies. As we set our sights on Mars, the importance of water becomes even more pronounced. Mars, with its barren landscapes and harsh conditions, presents a unique set of challenges for human exploration. Yet, the discovery of water ice on Mars has given scientists hope. This precious resource could be the key to sustaining human life on the red planet, providing not only hydration, but also the means to grow food and produce oxygen. Not only is it essential for drinking and growing food, but water can also be used in innovative ways to support life on Mars. Hydroponic farming, for instance, allows plants to grow without soil, using nutrient-rich water solutions. This method could be crucial for producing fresh food in the Martian environment, ensuring that astronauts have a sustainable source of nutrition. Additionally, water can be broken down into its constituent elements, hydrogen and oxygen, through a process called electrolysis. This process involves passing an electric current through water to separate it into hydrogen and oxygen gas. The implications of this are profound, as it means that water can be transformed into breathable air and usable fuel. Oxygen, of course, is vital for breathing, and having a reliable source of it on Mars would be indispensable for any long-term human presence. Astronauts would need a steady supply of oxygen to survive the thin Martian atmosphere, which is composed mostly of carbon dioxide, while hydrogen could be used as fuel, potentially powering rockets and other equipment. Hydrogen fuel cells, for example, can generate electricity, providing a reliable power source for habitats and machinery on Mars. This dual use of water as both a life-sustaining resource and a means of energy production highlights its unparalleled importance in space exploration. As we continue to explore the cosmos, the search for water will remain a top priority. It is the elixir of life, a substance that holds the promise of sustaining human civilization not just on Earth but across the universe. Section 6. The quest for Martian water, a global endeavor. The search for water on Mars is a global endeavor, with space agencies and private companies alike pouring resources into unraveling the red planet's secrets. This monumental task involves collaboration on an unprecedented scale, bringing together the brightest minds from around the world. From NASA and ESA to private companies like SpaceX, the collective effort is driven by a shared vision of exploring and potentially colonizing Mars. The quest for Martian water is not just about scientific curiosity, it's about the future of humanity and our ability to thrive beyond Earth. Innovative technologies are being developed to extract water from Martian ice and soil, paving the way for a sustainable human presence on our celestial neighbor. These technologies include advanced robotic systems capable of drilling into the Martian surface, sophisticated sensors to detect water molecules, and cutting-edge methods to purify and store the extracted water. The development of these technologies is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Each breakthrough brings us closer to the dream of establishing a self-sustaining colony on Mars, where humans can live, work, and explore. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the history of water on Mars and its implications for the search for life beyond Earth. The presence of water is a key indicator of the potential for life, and finding it on Mars could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. Scientists are meticulously analyzing water samples and studying the planet's geological history to uncover clues about past climates and the possibility of ancient life forms. These efforts not only enhance our knowledge of Mars but also inspire future generations to dream big and reach for the stars. Section 7. Mars and Humanity, a Future Intertwined. The question of whether we are alone in the universe is one of the most profound questions facing humanity. For centuries we have gazed up at the stars, wondering if there are other beings looking back at us. The vastness of space, with its billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, makes it almost impossible to believe that we are the only intelligent life forms. This quest for knowledge has driven us to explore our own solar system, with Mars being one of the most intriguing destinations. Mars, with its tantalizing hints of a watery past, holds a special place in this quest. The discovery of ancient riverbeds and the possibility of underground lakes have fueled our imagination and scientific endeavors. These findings suggest that Mars may have once had conditions suitable for life, making it a prime candidate in our search for extraterrestrial life. The red planet's surface, marked by valleys and dried-up river channels, tells a story of a planet that was once very different from the barren landscape we see today. Will we find definitive signs of past or present life on Mars? This question drives numerous missions and research projects. Scientists meticulously analyze soil samples and rock formations, looking for any traces of microbial life or organic compounds. The Mars rovers, with their advanced instruments, drill into the surface, collecting data that could one day answer this age-old question. Each discovery, no matter how small, brings us one step closer to understanding the mysteries of Mars. Will we one day walk on its surface not as explorers but as settlers, utilizing Martian water to sustain ourselves? The idea of colonizing Mars has moved from the realm of science fiction to serious scientific and engineering discussions. Concepts of habitats, sustainable living, and the use of Martian resources are being developed. Imagine a future where humans live and work on Mars, growing food in greenhouses, extracting water from the soil, and building a new society on this distant world. The challenges are immense, but so are the possibilities. Only time and continued exploration will tell. The journey to Mars is a testament to human curiosity and our desire to push the boundaries of what is possible. Each mission, each rover, and each piece of data brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. The collaboration of scientists, engineers, and dreamers from around the world is what makes this endeavor possible. As we continue to explore, we learn not just about Mars, but about ourselves and our capacity for innovation and discovery. But one thing is certain: the story of Mars and its connection to our own is far from over. The red planet continues to captivate our imagination and drive our scientific pursuits. As we look to the future, we can only wonder what new discoveries await us on Mars, and how they will shape our understanding of life and the universe. The journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless.